In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show how to add a clickable email in Elementor WordPress. When you click on the email, it will open up the default email app on your device. Okay, for example, it opens up this Outlook software on Windows, on my Windows laptop. Whether it is on mobile or desktop, it will open up the default email app on your device. And so let me just show you how can do that over here. So I will remove this. Okay, so what I can do, I can add this text element over here, and I can center align it, and over here you simply write down your email address. I'll write down mine, contact at the rate of tasveer web solutions.com. Okay, and then what I can do, I can simply highlight this and click on this insert or edit link. Okay, I will click on this, and you see it automatically adds the link, mail to at the colon contact at the rate of tasvirwebsolutions.com, and I simply click over here, apply. Okay, now it turned into a clickable link. Okay, not just an email. If I check the front end of the website, we'll see that it is updated. I'll refresh this page. Okay, it's refreshing. You see, this is the one. If I click on it, it will open up the Outlook app. And I can also add this in two more ways. I can use the list icon. I can use the list icon over here, and I will remove these two. And over here, I can change this icon to envelope icon, which shows that it's an email. Okay, envelope, and I can write down in the text part, I'll write down my email address. That's where solutions.com. Okay, so this is my email address. I will copy it, and in the link part, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type mail to, okay, colon, and then I will paste my email address. Okay, now we see it turns into a clickable email, just like the previous one which I showed. And for the button, if you want to add a clickable email to the button over here, okay, I can simply, what I can do, I can come over here and copy this email address, go to button, and in the link part, I can simply do it again, mail to colon, and then paste the email address. And you can paste the email address over here like this, or you can see simply write down email us. Okay, whatever you prefer. I'll save it. Great. Okay, it's saved. I will refresh this page. And if I click on this, it will open up the Outlook app on my laptop, Windows device. And see, if I also click over here, this button, it will also open up the Outlook app. So this is how you add a clickable email in Elementor WordPress. And so if you found this video useful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.